Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to set up an easy-up tent. First, lay the folded tent frame flat on the ground. Gently pull the legs out just enough to create a stable base. It's easiest with two people, each standing on opposite sides of the frame. This initial step ensures the tent is positioned correctly for smooth expansion. Get ready to enjoy your shade. Now, with one person on each side, slowly walk backward, pulling the frame outward. You'll feel it start to expand. Keep going until the frame is about 3/4 of the way open. Don't force it if it feels stuck. Sometimes a gentle wiggle helps. This gradual expansion prevents damage and makes the next step much simpler. Once the frame is mostly open, reach up and push the center hub straight up until it clicks and locks into place. You'll hear a distinct sound. Next, drape the canopy fabric over the top and secure its corners to the frame. Make sure all 4 corners are firmly attached to prevent the canopy from shifting. You're almost there. Finally, extend each leg individually to your preferred height, pushing the locking pins into the designated holes. For safety, always use stakes or sandbags to secure your tent, especially in windy conditions. This ensures your easy-up tent stays put and provides reliable shade. Enjoy your outdoor space.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.